uyalibazisa ukubamba kufaka ebhodweni uthi inswise uvuthiwe alivula ibhodwe no not yet aphinda alivala belitshe abawuka umlilo ngaphansi kushe uthi sangivuthiwe athi not yet. He is the cook. Futhi the same God is a matchmaker. Akavumi ukuthi uyongena esithandweni somlilo unonkulunkulu omkhulu. Same God. The same God futhi akakhiphe emlilweni akhiphe emabhubesini. The same God ngoba wenza ngawe ngendlela athanda ukwenza ngawe. So when we're here to celebrate lempilo sephilwe ubaba umhlongo, we say, brothers and sisters, let us continue living by faith. La phakathi kwethu khona abantu abane great faith abahamba ngenyama bengazi ukuthi they keep their faith. Actual faith. Ifaith akulona uhlobo lomuntu akulona uhlobo lwendlu baphuma kuleyo ndlu utry ungenankulunkulu. Umfeka abakasathane banazo kakhulu nabakholwa. It has nothing to do with your faith. Indaba yokuthi unani isendleleni athi uNkulunkulu ohamba ngayo. Mayisethe ethi hamba ogwadule isikhathi sogwadula. Walk in the wilderness and be faithful to God in the wilderness. He is able to cause water to pour, to run your way in the middle of wilderness. He is able to cause the stones to produce water for you, no matter where you, as long as you walk with God.